Hello everyone, welcome back. If the verification code for the WhatsApp is not receiving on your iPhone and iPad, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings, scroll, find and tap on messages. Here we are going to do some changes. Here we have to make sure that iMessage is enabled, and also we have to scroll and tap on unknown and spam and disable filter unknown sender. Then go back to messages and tap on notification and make sure that allow notification is enabled. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and back to settings. Scroll again back to messages. Here we will see an option send as a SMS. We have to enable this option. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then launch control center, tap on focus and make sure that do not disturb is disabled. Sometimes this happens because of the network issue. So what we have to do, we are going to settings and enable airplane mode. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, back to settings and disable airplane mode. In the end, what we have to do, we are going to launch settings and general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available, and also tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.